Every time the seasons change, I miss you. Every time the colors fade more and more. Every time I ask myself, what am I back here for? Still crying, but it takes time to mourn. Every day my hair grows grey and longer. Every time I see you, you change a part of you. Them clothes and leather boots and you, it's not how I remember you. I'm torn, but it takes time to mourn. Time to mourn. Baby, there's no easy way for us to part. You go in your way and I disappear in the dark. I wake in silence once again, I start pulling apart this journey alone. It's time to mourn. Time to mourn. Every time I feel like I'm out of the woods, I see that life is acting as I hope it should. Moving on without you, I get hit with a bolt from the blue. I'm scorned, but it takes time to mourn. Time to mourn. Need time to mourn.